Hermes unboxing. Time for another dose of unboxings. We have an Hermes unboxing. Let's unbox my new Hermes bag. Well, sort of. Just wait. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and today we're gonna unbox this beautiful Hermes bag, new Hermes bag, sort of, that I just got back. I teased too much. Okay, if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Quick unboxing and story and thoughts. Quick unboxing. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, before we get into it, I would love to hear your thoughts on how you guys store, protect, keep your bags safe, and how many you use at a time, what your thoughts are on keeping them safe in the home. Quick story time explanation whilst I unbox. So short story, well, medium long story. I have a lot of bags, as you guys know. Just one or two, a few. No, obviously I have a lot of bags and I don't like to keep them all together because I just feel very unsafe and everything's going on in the world, and like people I know getting robbed, and I've been robbed a few times, so it's just, and I have a lot of stuff, right? So I decided to make a rule that I only have 3 bags at any one place at any one time with me, because I usually take 2 out to go anytime I go work, because I can never leave with just one bag. Mini Kelly doesn't count, but so I only have 3 bags at a time. The rest, I have some at my other places, but I'm trying to keep a 3-bag rule at those other places too. I have all the security systems also in place in each place, so it's not like there's safety and security and like many levels of security. And I'm not gonna go into detail of any of that obviously, but I do feel somewhat safe, but like still, there's always that lingering thing in the back of your mind. So I thought this would make me feel a little more safe. And some are in a safety deposit box and some are in the storage unit nearby. And then I got this service that I saw from Charles Gross, where you keep everything in a specific bag safety deposit type box. And then you can just go in anytime you want and swap out bags. And those are for like my more special occasion type things where I want it for like one event and something like that. But then I also have found this service where you can store bags in a safe location where they store it for you. You pay a little bit for it, but it's especially a service where they store your bags for you like as if they're like their own little bags in a closet. And you pay for that because they're in the closet in their own little like cubie. Insured and protected any loss there. Insurance at home I feel like is very hard because I have friends that have gotten stuff stolen, and it's like a fight with the insurance company forever, and it takes forever. But those are insured by the company, so if anything happens, you get paid right away. Also, jewelry too. Anything that needs to be special, not here, but that's always been the case. Just everyday stuff that I'm wearing every day is just on me. So, and you can ship them to them and they will ship it back to you whenever you want it. So I've been doing a 1-for-1 now. So I've gotten rid of everything minus the 3 that I have right now. I've been using the her bag a lot, but I'm gonna swap that one out for this one. Actually, I think I'm gonna give the her bag to a friend. So I'm gonna swap that out for this. So this is a bag you've already seen, but look, they package it so nicely. It's like as if you just bought it from the store or from online or whatever. Very protected, although the bottom got a little destroyed, but I don't know if it was already like that. So this is gonna be my new swap out because I just wanna feel a little safer. So every time I leave the house, which also I'm not even here that much anymore, and I've been traveling a lot and I want to keep doing that, and I don't feel like I want to stay here that much anymore. So there's only 1 bag at a time in the house because I always leave with 2. Makes me feel a lot safer because then if anything does happen, it's 1, not 100. So this is my new replacement. It is my mini gypsier. It's the mini gypsier, which literally I've used once or twice. Still has all the plastic on, in this dark green color with palladium hardware, which I feel like I want to start wearing more palladium hardware because I have a few bags in palladium that I never wear because it's a little more casual every day and it's a little more not as flashy as gold, which is right. Get ready to see a little bit more of these in my shorts, with my shorts. And let me know if you guys do this, if anyone has the kind of similar things with their bags or feels safe, unsafe, or anything like that. Let's talk about it in the comments below because I would love to talk about it. I would love to hear your thoughts, what you guys are doing, how you feel safe, etc., etc. Yeah, that's my little update / mini unboxing for you guys. That's all I got. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below.